There's Officer Calderon, everybody. You're being filmed back there too, you better calm down. So what he's gonna do is park in the street and try and wrap this all the way around us right now.
Outside my tape.
Shut up.
Outside my tape.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Direct D. He's had 2 huge interactions this week, but I'm going to focus on this one. And at the end of the video, I'll link you guys to the second event. May 13, 2021, Direct D was out cop watching with Every Camera Counts.
Not sure what's going on here. Look at this dumbass we found. Fucking Calderon right there. There's Officer Calderon, everybody. Smile for everybody. Yeah, take your mask off, dumbass. You stupid sloppy fuck. Oh, I'm glad I found you.
Officer Calderon has been at the center of many investigations and has been disciplined for excessive force. Officer Calderon and Direct D actually have a bit of a history together. Calderon recently arrested Direct D for 4th-degree criminal trespassing on a sidewalk just over a month ago, but the case was dismissed.
Just wanted to rub in, your case got dropped, dumbass.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Hey, f you, Calderon.
You too. Arvin, no.
Don't do that, buddy.
So now you have to leave. You have to take the one witness we have.
You're
You have to leave right now.
So you guys see this guy right? You're being filmed back there too. You better calm down. You guys see this shit? That's not how it works, dumbass. You gonna create another one? You guys see this shit? That's Calderon. Call Mesa PD right now. Call Mesa PD right now. Let them know Officer Calderon's about to fucking violate some more rights. Fuck you, dude.
After a few minutes, the supervisor on scene directed Calderon to set up a perimeter with tape to push the cameras back.
Well, there you go, guys. We found Mesa Tyrant right there. So what he's gonna do is park in the street and try and wrap this all the way around us right now. That's what chickens do.
Other way, guys. Back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
All the way to the post, so.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Outside my tape.
Shut up.
Outside my tape.
You guys see this fool following me right here?
There you go, outside my tape, thank you.
Hey, fuck you.
You can't get on the street.
I'm not on the street,
Yes,
man.
you are.
You told me to get out.
No, on the sidewalk over there. Over there before I arrest you. Outside of the street. Outside of the street. I'm telling you right now.
I'm working on it.
Hey. Wow, you guys, you see this? Hey, call Mesa PD. Holy shit. Hey, you guys better calm down. You're being live streamed. You're being live streamed. Zorro, come over here, dude. Hey, you're being live streamed. You guys just f***ed up right now. Big time. Hey.
As Every Camera Counts was moving out of the street at the command of the officers, Calderon arrests him. He is later charged with disobeying a police officer while directing traffic, even though in the video, he is obviously moving to the officer's desired location. Moments later, Calderon returns to extend the tape.
Wow.
Here it comes. Gotta go all the way to the corner. All this
Shut up, bitch.
Dude, we're on the other side of your tape already. You guys see this coward motherfucker right here?
Back up.
I'm backing up. Don't touch me.
Don't step out of the street.
Don't touch me,
arrested.
dude. Don't
You need to
touch
back
me.
up.
Stop f***ing touching me.
Back up all the
You're
way
on
to the
body cam again.
Good. All the way to the corner.
Oh, I'm suing the f*** out of you.
Sure.
Sure. Coward.
Stay right there. You
Coward piece of shit. F*** you, dude. Punk. Where's your challenge coin at? You want to come punch me in the mouth, coward? Why don't you cuff me first and then punch me? That's what chicken shits do right there. You chicken shit motherfucker.
This is the moment that is about to earn Officer Calderon an internal affairs investigation and a lawsuit.
Look at this dumb. He just assaulted me. You got that on camera? Holy f. You just see that? He just assaulted me. Live f***ing camera. Oh, you're a dumb bitch, dude. You're a dumb motherfucking bitch. He just assaulted me, you guys. Call Mesa PD. Call Flood him right now. Let him know. Ernesto Calderon is out here assaulting photographers. What's your name and your badge number? This is what is it? What's your badge number?
This is Officer T. Stearman. He represents a major issue with policing today. Officer Stearman witnessed a superior officer assault Direct D with a construction sign and did absolutely nothing. He didn't speak up, he didn't take action. How do you think this coward would have reacted if it were Direct D taking a construction sign to an officer?
I appreciate you following your policy. Don't be like this f***ing coward right there. You just witnessed him assaulting me with that. I'm gonna be subpoenaing you in my lawsuit. Remember this. You are a witness. It's on body cam and live stream. You are now a witness to a crime. Remember that. Putting you on notice, Calderon. Coward, you just assaulted me.
A few moments later, Direct D asked for a medic and supervisor to document the incident and his injuries.
Hey, I need a medic. You scratched my leg. Hey, Calderon, I need a medic. I'm gonna call 911 if you don't. Calderon, you scratched my leg when you assaulted me. I need a medic. Sergeant Bailey, I'm requesting a medic. Your field training officer just assaulted me. I got it on film. Hello? They're all guaranteed their body cams are off and they're lying about what's happening right now. When we body cam request this footage, it's all gonna be off. Better hope your body cams are on.
Eventually, Sergeant Bailey approaches, not to investigate the assault, but to remove the tape. But after addressing Bailey, he has no choice but to take the report.
This is Calderon's boyfriend.
Excuse me, sir, so I can take down this tape.
Did you call a medic? You see this assault that just happened? You see my leg right here? That was caught on 2 officers' body cam footage, live feed. This right here was caused by this Calderon hitting it with me. You are a supervisor on site. What are you gonna do about it right now?
I'd like to file a report, sir.
I absolutely 100% would.
Give me 1 second, I'll be right with you.
100%.
Oh, you're learning something.
You need to call a medic too. We're gonna get a report about this. Call a medic right now. I need medical attention. I'm demanding medical attention because an officer assaulted me. I'm live on the internet, by the way, so you better not refuse me. I'm currently limping over to him. Bye, coward.
Hi,
It was caught on this officer's body cam footage, I believe. Yep, his body cam footage.
Left leg abrasions for a 30-year-old man. Conscious injured. I'll report for you, sir. Officer Stearman's going to give the report. He's going to need your information.
You guys, I'm gonna mute this right now so I can give him my info. So hang tight.
Medics arrive on scene and the encounter is wrapped up.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go get a tetanus shot just to be safe.
Case number, date, type of crime, my name and ID, and then initial report, then the officer. There you are. That's all your stuff as a victim rights form.
You don't have another piece of paper with all this on there? Where's the officer's name that's being accused of assault on here? I don't see any of that.
Officer Cal.
Suspect? It's not written on there. Make sure we document it right. Did you guys take pictures? Yeah, you did.
Alright, do you guys need anything else from me?
I don't believe so.
Alrighty. Cool. You guys have a good night.
Yep.
All of this happened less than a week after Direct D was arrested during a live stream by a different department, while attempting to file a complaint with officers after he was assaulted by a citizen. The officers witnessed the assault and again failed to take action. Just like the incident you just saw, the officers had a history with Direct D. More and more it seems as though the actions taken against him are in retaliation for him filming. He's gonna have that second incident up soon, so be sure to subscribe to his channel to see it. Once it is available, I will link it directly below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.